Hello YouTube, I've got an unboxing video today and it's the first one this year. It's a loco I bought from Worley last November. Been meaning to try and get the chance to do a running video on it. So I've got one now. It's London Brighton and South Coast Railways H2 Class Atlantic. It's a 442. And it was designed for express passenger work. Just open it up now. Usual Bachmann packaging, and then we've got the ice cube box. I always like the look of these older looking express locos. I've seen, especially when you go to like the National Railway Museum and you see a few the older locos on their display. I'll just loosen that off. So I've actually had this sound fitted by Digi Trains. Basically I bought it from one store and gave it straight to Digi Trains to do. I think that's weights out of the tender that he's bagged up for me in the blanking plate. So they weren't originally part of the accessories. The other things here are still taped down. I'll just get them out to have a look. And it's usual parts that you get. I don't know whether I'll end up sticking them on so you can see what they are there. Some brake pipes. I might hang up the lanterns, and we've got the name plates for the loco. You can see it's Beachy head. And going back to what made me want to buy this, when I was looking at the stalls, we came across the Bluebell railway stall, and they were raising money to build a replica of the H2 class, because unfortunately they were all scrapped. There was I think there was 6 of them built originally. I think there was a H1 class as well, which was very similar. When I've looked at them, I'm not sure what the difference is. I don't think there's much. They were built between 1911 and 1912, and they were all withdrawn by 1958. But going back to what they were telling me when they were building one of these locos, there's actually quite a few original parts of these locos left. If you go on the Bluebell website, there'll be a lot of info on it. I'll leave a link in the description. So as they're raising money, I thought, well, I wanted to get one of these locos anyway, so I'll get it off them to hopefully help them raise a bit of money. And it's a very nice logo from Bachmann, so I'll just have to be very careful. Just show the interior, which is very nicely detailed. If we can get it into focus. Just there we go. Oh. Doesn't want to quite focus, but it's a very smooth runner as well. I tested it on the Heritage line, and the main body, it's got a lot of weight to it. Just try and get a bit more of a close-up of it. It's very hard to get it on focus really, but yeah, it's a very nice loco. It doesn't have sprung buffers or anything, but that doesn't really bother me too much. I think I paid, I think it was £140 I think I paid, and I think I paid the same again to have the sound unit fitted. I'm thinking about getting some express lights to go on the front of it, maybe a fire flicker and maybe even a smoke unit, so let me know your thoughts on that. But I'm going to get it on the layout now and do a little running session with it, and hopefully get some matching coaches for it in the future. So right now I'll probably have to do with some Mark 1s or some Pullman coaches, but we'll see. So let's get it on the layout. Right, we've got the Beachy head on the track. I'm just going to turn the sound on. I've got my sound and control function sheets here off digi trains. So number 1 is sound on, 2 is brake key, which is that. F3 is whistle, 4 is long whistle, and F5 is heavy train light engine selection, 6 coal shoveling, hope you can hear this over the wind outside. It's not been great weather lately, has it? And number 7 is live steam injector. F8 is blower. Number 9 is wheel flange. Well, I'm guessing that only works when the loco is running. F10, safety valves lifted. That sounds good, doesn't it? '11 handbrake. Water filling, number 12. That's a new one, I've not heard that one yet on the loco. So I don't want to go too boring, so just jump to 16. Bit different. If you can't guess what that is, it's bird song background noises. So I think we'll take it for a run now. I've put the wheel flange on as well, so you can hear that now. So I'll take her out to the side and back her on the platform. And that's the end of the whole video. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for the next one. Thanks again.